Hello guys, welcome back to our AI agents tutorials in which we're building super cool AI workflows. Now let's look at a really important aspect of building AI agents, and that is prompting. You might as well have seen or practiced during our tutorial so far that how you can prompt different AI agents to satisfy your needs according to the action or goal that you want to achieve. So, prompting really plays an important part in AI agents. It dictates how the AI agent will behave and act in the workflow. So, it's pretty imperative that we really master the art of prompting the AI agents. So, let's look at it. So, this is a clean canvas, clean dashboard, and here I have some tips for prompting. First of all, you need to know the difference between reactive and proactive prompting. So, our focus should be to always achieve reactive prompting and not proactive. There's a simple reason that we will look into it. Okay, so first let's see what the objectives are. Understand what the prompting is and why it matters. Develop a structured approach to reactive prompting and learn the essentials. Okay, so AI agents are not like chatbots wherein you can just carry out the task in a conversation like flow where you send the message, then the chatbot will respond with something, and then you can update according to the response you got back, and so on and so forth. It continues the conversation. But AI agents are supposed to be independent of your intervention. They are meant to run autonomously. And just you just cannot go to an AI agent, tell them every single time that what you want to do. So it is essential that the prompting is to the point and done just once because you just cannot update it. Okay, so yes, prompting matters because our goal is to make the agent function correctly every time that it runs. Cool. A simple rule is that less is more. Sometimes people just go on writing essays and paragraphs in the prompts, but it just does not serve the purpose because the agents will just get confused and perhaps suffer from hallucinations from the tons of different instructions that you would have given them in the form of prompting. So no essays, no paragraphs, just just a clear point, concisely, and that's it. Less is more. Always remember that. Okay, so here is an example. You are an email agent. Your job is to assist the user by using your tools to take the correct action. As simple as that. It's an email agent, and its job is to serve the user by using the tools. Okay, so the biggest lesson is that prompting should be done reactively and not proactively. So what is proactive prompting? So proactive prompting happens when you just write up a detailed, long prompt upfront at the start of building the AI agent without even realizing how one prompt may affect the different steps in the sequence in the workflow. So it's like you dump all of your words, all of the prompt in one single go, and then test it out. And then you would realize that you do not really know where exactly the problem comes from or where exactly to look for debugging. So this is exactly what it says. But reactive prompting is the opposite. It encourages to start with nothing and gradually refine it based on real test results. So the start with nothing, to start with a completely blank um, system message, and then test it gradually, test it once, twice, thrice, so that you know what exactly the prompt requires. And this way, just before achieving your goal, you would have a minimalist and simple prompt in the AI agent. The reactive prompting also aims to keep the prompt as minimalist as possible so that the AI agent does not suffer from hallucination. So, in this video, we learned about the foundational aspects and notion of reactive prompting. In the next 2 3 videos, we will dive deep into this, and I'll also show you a demonstrated version of how reactive prompting works. Till then, take care and stay tuned. Thank you.